I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. But think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. How do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know if
Hi guys, so today is day 3 in Rwanda, and today we are going to be going to the Genocide Center. We are going to be visiting the Archery place, ziplining, and some fun activities. It's going to be fun. We just had breakfast, so let's go.
feels like without you in my life. Without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I can't tell.
So we're about entering Rwanda Genocide Center. This place is very emotional. A lot of things have happened here, and I heard that videos or camera may not be allowed. This is my friend. Hi. The Kigali Genocide Memorial is a remembrance and learning ground built in honor of the victims of the 1994 genocide that happened in Rwanda against the Tutsi tribe. It is also the final resting place for 250,000 victims of the genocide, where their memory is preserved and people can come honor them. You can pay 10,000 Rwandan francs for a recording that gives a tour of the ground. Donations are also accepted. It is a learning ground for individuals to reflect on how hate and vain perceptions can destroy a nation. The Rwandan genocide occurred between 7th of April to 19th July 1994, in which a space of 100 days, members of the Tutsi minority ethnic groups were killed by Hutu military, members of the majority ethnic group. More than 1 million people lost their lives. Rwanda is made up of 3 ethnic groups: the Hutu, which is 84% of the population, Tutsi 15%, and the Tiwa 1%. The genocide occurred when an aircraft carrying the Hutu president was shot down. The next day, the killings began. Neighbors and friends began to kill each other. Women were raped and infected with HIV. Children were murdered and many fled the country. But with the help of the Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, a rebel group, the genocide ended. So guys, behind me are names of some of the people buried here, and it's such an emotional thing to see and understand. May their soul rest in peace. So I've learned a lot of things my stay here. I've learned that despite everything that has happened to you as a country, like, you can step out of it. This country is beautiful. Like, regardless of all what has happened to them, how they are able to bounce back. Next year is going to be 30 years after the genocide, and look at how beautiful they've been able to turn their country to. I really appreciate it, and I hope Nigeria will learn one thing or two about this, and even all countries all over the world. There is nothing like tribe, there's nothing like race. We are all human beings.
Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it all. Still, it's not like I even really care, but I do. And what am I supposed to say? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? I thought I had it all, but boy, how could I ever be more wrong? Hey, so go ahead and leave it.
Day 3, it's time to have some fun. Guys, welcome to Fazenda, Kigali, Rwanda. So here is where you have fun. We are going to be Archery. We are going to do fun bikes, we are going to do donkey rides, and every other fun activity. I have my badge already. What next? Time to have fun.
Listen to. What you saying? No, it's okay.
There are no donkey of you. So what's your name?
My name is Ige baby.
And what do you do?
I'm a lawyer. My
Wow.
alter ego is an outsider, Italawa.
Oh shit. So you're a Lagos baddie in Rwanda.
Corporate body, actually.
Wow, that's nice. Are you here to have fun?
You know
Okay. So what do you love about Rwanda?
what? The peace, the quietness, the neatness. Very neat city. Very, very neat city.
Should they visit?
Of course! You should.
Then what do you have to tell my subscribers?
I love you. She loves you. And subscribe to her channel.
Thank you! Yeah! Welcome to Kigali! This is beautiful.
I wanted to match my
left hand.
Oh,
But you can use this.
I want one that has a black rope because of my feet.
Oh, okay.
I want to look like a warrior. If you ask me to
Jesus Christ, I can switch.
okay, switch it.
First step.
The left-handed?
I'm left-handed.
What?
No, left. I'm not a lefty, I'm a right.
I don't know how we can follow.
I didn't write it.
You should know. She said, oh, we don't know. I asked her, I said, you didn't know this was your bag.
It's a glove.
I don't know how I feel.
No, this was only way to
Okay, I think they have to have my number. They have to have my number.
Story. I've heard of
They have to have my number because
Yeah.
sometimes they can have my
I knew about what you know, one of those guys who just
You understand? But when I'm
don't pay any mind to it.
I'm
What do you
like,
mean?
I say the name of the company. I don't say my company. I say the name of the company.
that one he did is a while.
I am ready.
He said he predicted his fight.
Sambisa Forest.
Things like that.
What's the arrow?
Even Mubad. This is song.
Cool.
Before pulling, you can stretch your arm. Slow by slow, keep pulling and about. Not here, but here. Yes, sir.
Oh, I can do as many times as possible.
Harder. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, now leave it.
I don't think you should have given up your bow.
Just make sure
But you can still get it.
that this point
Who is that?
is going straight.
Who is that that's getting that much?
Azne.
Now give me that. Mohammed. Why is nobody filming Mohammed? Oh?
See his board.
I got you.
Next we are going zip lining. Zip lining.
Oh yeah, look here. So yeah, look here as you're flying.
Josie. Francisca's bag, please.
I'm ready.
His iPhone, I guess. Then I have another this thing from this home. I have some.
Look here, look here.
I have another one from Josie. After you just when I get there. Yes, okay. Very nice.